Dear students, we are in MSET Mathematics. Now we will start new chapter. This is from 1A, 10th chapter. Okay, properties of triangle. See, up to 9 chapters we have finished. And 2B doesn't have 9th and 10th chapters. Only 8 chapters are there. Total 38 chapters. Okay. Now we will see 1A 10th chapter. 1A 10th chapter, 1B 10th chapter, 2A 10th chapter. Only 3 chapters are left. Remaining all we have finished. Let us see this also. Okay. See 1A 10th chapter, properties of triangle. This question is asked in MSET 2003. Okay, I am taking all models as you know. In a triangle ABC, if small b is equal to 20 and small c is equal to 21, sin A is equal to 3 by 5. What is the value of small a? See here, properties of triangle already you know, but once again I want to tell you. See, this is a triangle. Angles we will show with capital letters A, B, C. Okay, angles. But what about sides? Opposite A, small a, opposite B, small b, opposite C, small c. These are sides. Okay? Based on these only, these formulae are available. Okay, now they have given sin A is equal to 3 by 5. Sin A is equal to 3 by 5. By seeing this, we can write cos A is equal to 4 by 5. Okay? Cos A is equal to 4 by 5, immediate. Or else also we can write 1 minus sin square A under root. That also you can make. You will get 4 by 5. Okay? Now, come back. What do we know the formula? See, we know sin formula, cos formula, but for this cos formula we will write. Okay? Cos formula. Okay, I am writing cos formula. You see, cos A is equal to b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. If a comes means a minus will come, bc will come, bc will come. Okay? But cos A they have given, cos A 4 by 5 is equal to b square 20 square 400, c square 21 square 441 minus a square, you don't know, right? Only a square divided by 2bc. 2 into 20 into 21. Okay? Except A, remaining all values you know. Then you can find A value. Let us proceed further. Okay, see 400, see 40 into 21. You see 4 into 40 into 21 by 5 is equal to 841 minus A square. Okay? 5 8s are 40. 32 into 21 is equal to 841 minus a square, or else a square is equal to 841 minus, see 21 2s are 42, 21 3s are 63, 67, 672. A square is equal to 9, 6, 1, 169. A will be 13. Okay, actually plus or minus will come, but in answer only plus 13 is there. That is why you can put 13. Okay, plus or minus is there or not also you see carefully. Okay, that depends on how we are taking this here. Okay, that and all. If tan comes like that, and quadrant also they mention, and angle also they mention. If they doesn't mention means both you have to take. Why? Because we don't know. But according to answer you go, then answer is 13, that's all. Plus or minus 13 is not there, minus 13 is not there. Then directly you put plus 13. Okay? Let us go for second question. See second question. In a triangle ABC, if determinant ABC, BCA, CAB is equal to 0, then what is the value of cos A cos B plus cos B cos C plus cos A cos A? Like they are asking. Okay? See here they have given sides and they are asking angles. Okay, if you look broadly, we seem that we are unable to do this question, but let us try to solve this. What will happen and all, let us see. Determinant if you do, then plus A into BC minus A square minus B into B square minus AC. B square minus AC. Okay. Again plus C into AB minus C square. But this they have given equal to 0. Okay. That if you take, then only we can do this, or else we are unable to do this. Okay. See, ABC minus A cube minus B cube plus ABC plus ABC minus C cube equal to 0. Okay. See, plus ABC plus ABC plus ABC. Shall I write to 3ABC? Minus A cube minus B cube minus C cube equal to 0. If I multiply with minus or if I send to that side, what will happen? A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to 0. If it comes like this, how can we write this? Several times you have written, like this also we can write A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA equal to 0. See, equal to 0 already is there. That is why we are putting this 0 continuously it is coming. Okay, see, this we can modify like this. If you multiply this automatically, this is going to come 3ABC minus and A cube, B cube, C cube. See, A cube will come, B cube will come, C cube will come. Remaining are minus 3ABC will come. Remaining are going to get cancelled out. Okay, see, here what will happen if you observe carefully. Here, see, A plus B plus C equal to 0. This. Comma. A square plus B square plus C square is equal to minus you send that side. AB plus BC plus CA. Is it okay? Here, crucial step we have to do. What is the crucial step? You see, A square and AB is there. That means, shall I say A is equal to B? Then only A square is equal to AB will come. B square is equal to BC means, shall I say B is equal to C? C square is equal to CA means, shall I say C is equal to A? Finally, what will happen? A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to A. That means, see, A is equal to B is equal to C. What are these? These are sides. Sides of a triangle. If A, B, C all are equal, it is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means what will be the angle? 60 degrees. 60, 60, 60, 180 degrees. Okay? Implies theta is equal to 60 degrees, that is equal to A is equal to B is equal to C. That means, see, you have got this A, B, C values. Okay? Now substitute to cos 60 degrees. Cos 60 degree, cos 60 degree plus cos 60 degree, cos 60 degree plus cos 60 degree, cos 60 degree. That is equal to. Okay, see, shall I write 3 times of cos square 60 degree? 1, 2, 3, 3 times, but cos 60, cos 60, cos square 60. That is equal to 3 into cos 60 is how much? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square. That is equal to 3 into 1 by 4. That is equal to 3 by 4. Okay? 3 by 4 will be your answer. Let us go for next question. Okay, see question number 3, MSET 2018 question. In a triangle ABC, if A is equal to 2B, that means these are sides, capital letter. Sorry, not sides, angles. And the sides opposite to the angles ABC are, that means A, small a, B, small b, C, small c, are respectively. Then alpha is equal to how much like that? Okay, see here, let me write one this thing, figure. Say this is this, and let me write A, B, C also. See, this is A, this is B, this is C, like you think. And also, opposite to A is small a. Small a means here alpha plus 1. Opposite to B means small b. Small b means here alpha minus 1, respectively. Alpha. They are asking alpha value. That means, see, in terms of alpha, these values are there. They are asking that. And here, both formula you have to use, sine formula and cos formula. First of all, both I will write. Okay, see how I am writing. A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal to C by sin C is equal to 2R. Okay, this is sin formula. Cos formula, one formula we will write. Cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. See here B comes means accordingly we will change that formula. Okay? Okay. Now see what they have given. A is equal to 2B. First write that one. A is equal to 2B. Apply sin both sides. Sin A is equal to sin 2B. Sin A only, but sin 2B shall I change 2 sin B cos B? Okay? Now, write down sin A. Sin A means what you are going to write? Sin A is equal to A by 2R. A by 2R. A by 2R sin A. Okay, that is equal to 2 into sin B. Sin B means you see B by 2R. Into cos B. Cos B means what? Actually A means BC will come. B means CA will come. C square plus A square minus B square by 2CA. Okay? See here 2R you cancel out, 2 you cancel out. Then CA square. Yeah, multiplication order. Let me write first. Comma you see A is equal to BC square. No. This is in multiplication. Okay. Now what I am writing? A by B. A by B into CA is equal to C square plus A square minus B square. Okay. C. C by B A square is equal to C square plus A square minus B square. Comma I am keeping. See C by B means what? Alpha by B. Alpha minus 1. A square. Alpha plus 1 whole square is equal to C square. Alpha square. A square. Alpha plus 1 square. Minus B square. Alpha minus 1 square. Alpha plus 1 square, alpha minus 1 square. A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square. 4 alpha. 4 AB. Okay? Write down. Alpha by alpha minus 1 into alpha plus 1 whole square is equal to alpha square plus 4 alpha. You take alpha common. Alpha by alpha minus 1. RL shall I write alpha plus 1 square by alpha minus 1 into alpha is equal to alpha you take common 4 plus alpha plus 4. Alpha you cancel out. Okay? You send alpha minus 1 that side. Alpha square also you can make here. Okay. A square plus B square plus 2AB is equal to alpha plus 4 into alpha minus 1. Alpha square plus 2 alpha plus 1 is equal to alpha square minus alpha plus 4 alpha plus 3 alpha minus alpha plus 4 alpha. Okay, minus 4. Alpha square straight away will cancel out. 3 alpha means you send that side 1 alpha. Alpha is equal to minus 4 if you send this side 5. Okay, minus 4 is going to become plus 5. Plus 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 3 alpha minus 2 alpha is alpha. Alpha is equal to 5. That means alpha value only they are asking. Alpha has come 5. Let us go for next question. Okay, see question number 4, MSET 2014 question. If the angles of the triangles are in the ratio 1:1:4, those are angles, then the ratio of the perimeter of the triangle to its largest side is. Okay, let us first draw the figure. Why? Because if I draw the figure, then you can understand it easily. See, say this is triangle. Say this is side A, side B, sorry, angle A, angle B, angle C. Then automatically small a, small b, small c. Okay? They have given angles of the triangle. That means see, if I take A, then A is to 4A. 4 times. Okay? Implies 4A plus 2A, that is equal to 6A, that is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because all angles together should come done. 6A is 180 means A will be 30 degree. If at all A is 30 degree, then B is also 30 degree. C is equal to 4 into 30 degree. C is equal to 120 degree. Okay? A is to B is to C. Right here letter. Why? Because say one angle is 120, remaining two angles are 30, like that we have to take. Why? Because see, it may be A or it may be B or whatever it may be, but we will see. That is why he is asking ratio of perimeter to the largest. Okay. Now how you are going to find this perimeter? Unless you find sides, you are unable to find the perimeter. Why? Because the perimeter means see BC plus CA plus AB. That means A plus B plus C is your perimeter. How you are going to find perimeter unless you know the ABC? That means sides. That means you have to get side. How you are going to get side? Sine formula you take. That side 2R will be there. Then we will cancel out. Okay. See how I am writing. A by sine A is equal to B by sine B is equal to C by sine C is equal to 2R. Okay. But see, ABCs you don't know, but sine A you know, sine 30. A by sine 30, 1 by 2. B by sine 30, 1 by 2. C by sine 120. C sine 90 plus 3, 30. So I take like this, 120. Second quadrant, sine positive. Because of 90 degree, this is going to become cos 30 degree. Cos 30 means root 3 by 2 is equal to 2R. Okay? Okay. Now these two goes top. That means see 2A is equal to 2B is equal to 2C. See 1 by 1 is there, but here root 3 is there. By 1 is equal to 2R. Shall I cancel 2? Okay, that means here A is equal to B. R is going to do one thing. A is equal to R. B is equal to R. C is equal to root 3R. You have got to ABCs. Then you can find your perimeter. Understand? Okay? Find perimeter. Perimeter. A plus B plus C is equal to R plus root 3R. R if I take common, 1 plus root 3. That is equal to 2 plus root 3R will be your perimeter. Okay? See, that is perimeter. But what is the largest side? Largest side means see, A is R only, B is R only, but C is root 3 times R, 1.732 times R. That means this is largest. Then what will be the ratio? 2 plus root 3 R divided by root 3 R. R will get cancelled out. 2 plus root 3 is to root 3 will be your answer. Okay? Okay, now we do one thing, we will stop this class, we will continue the next class for further 4 questions. Thank you very much.